Can you apply for PR while on maintained status or implied status? Answer is yes, you can. Let's try to break this down clearly. If you were legally in Canada and you applied to extend your work permit, study permit, or visitor status before it expires, you would move on to something called as maintained status, previously known as implied status, one of the same thing. Well, what does that mean? It means you are allowed to remain in Canada under the same conditions of your previous permit while waiting for a decision on your extension or on your current application. And here is the important part, which you have to keep account on that. Being on maintained status does not stop you from applying for permanent residency. There are no restrictions on that. You can still consider to have a legal temporary residence status in Canada. A few now trying to understand a few things here. Well, number one, you must have applied for your extension before your original permit expires. That's pretty much important because once it expired and then you apply, it is not considered you as on a maintained status or implied status. Number two, you must continue following the same conditions. That means if you are allowed to work, you could keep working. If you are a visitor, you could not suddenly start working. So keep a note of that. Number three, maintain status is valid only while you remain inside Canada. So that means if you leave the country, you may lose that status. But in terms of PR eligibility, no rules say you cannot apply for PR just because you are on a maintained status or implied status. If you are waiting on your extensions and planning your permanent residency application, you are legally fine to proceed. Always make sure your documents are accurate, your status is properly maintained, and your eligibility requirements are met. Keep a note. And last not the least, when in doubt, even a small doubt or even a doubt of less than 1%, get proper advice before you file. That's the clarity you need.